In this demonstration, we will show you how to view the potential impact of a hypothetical work zone. To begin, click the Estimate Impact button on the right side, and then the Hypothetical Work Zone button. To isolate the work zone, the user should draw a polygon on the map to highlight the area of interest, hitting the Enter key when complete. Then, click on the link that would contain the work zone we want to model. Then click on the link to identify the location of the event. We can now click Next. The user has the option to select the queuing models they would like to use for their analysis. I'm going to select Built-in and Chinturi, then click Next. Let's specify the work zone duration. We can either define it within a single day or a continuous 72-hour period, or as a schedule. In this example, I will define the work zone within a single day from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. The user can change a number of parameters such as the number of lanes closed, capacity, and vehicle information. I will leave the defaults here. Doing the same for Chinturi. The software will run the calculations for each model. Some models take longer than others. When the results return, on the right side we can see a summary of the input data, and below that a table with various results from the analysis for each hour of the work zone. As we scroll down, we can see specifics on the selected TMC link as well as graphs of the queue, delay, and volume. On the map, the user can slide the hour bar to view the estimated queue length for each hour. If we look back over on the right side, we see a drop-down to change the results based on the queuing model. Now we are looking at the Chinturi model. There is also a button to download the results to PDF. If we want to add this hypothetical event to the database, there is a button to do just that. The information we have input thus far is pre-populated, but there are still a couple of required fields to fill out. The project has been added.